Life is full of choices, big and small. From what to eat for breakfast to what career path to pursue. We are constantly faced with decisions that shape our lives. While making choices can be empowering, it can also be overwhelming. We may feel paralyzed by indecision, unsure of which option is the best. In this video, we will explore a Stoic approach to decision-making that can help you make faster, more confident choices. Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes virtue, reason, and self-discipline. It teaches us that we can control our own thoughts and actions, even in difficult or uncertain situations. But before we unravel the secrets, did you know that the average adult makes about 35,000 decisions each day? That's right, 35,000. Now, imagine if we could turn each one of those decisions into a powerful force propelling us toward our goals. But wait, this isn't just about a set of principles, it's about practical, actionable steps that you can implement starting today. Before that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive into the profound world of Stoicism together. One of the main reasons we struggle with decision-making is because we are afraid of making the wrong choice. We worry about the consequences of our decisions and how they might impact our lives. This fear can lead to overthinking and analysis paralysis, where we get so caught up in trying to make the perfect decision that we never actually make a decision at all. In order to make swift decisions in life, you need to adopt the Stoic mindset. Number 1, clarity of values. To decide faster, one must first understand what truly matters. The Stoics advocated for a deep introspection into our core values, urging us to identify and prioritize what is virtuous and meaningful in our lives. When decisions align with these values, they become clearer and more straightforward. Number 2, mindful awareness. The Stoics believed in the power of mindfulness, the practice of being present in the moment, fully aware of our thoughts and surroundings. By cultivating mindfulness, we gain a heightened sense of self-awareness, enabling us to make decisions with a clear and focused mind. Number 3, acceptance of impermanence. Change is the only constant in life, and the Stoics embraced this truth. To decide faster, we must accept the impermanence of all things, both the highs and lows. By acknowledging the transient nature of situations, we free ourselves from unnecessary attachments and make decisions unburdened by fear or desire. Number 4, virtuous action. Stoicism places great importance on virtue, living in accordance with reason and moral excellence. To decide like a Stoic is to act with virtue, to choose the path aligned with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By prioritizing virtue in our decisions, we ensure a life of integrity and purpose. Number 5, practicing gratitude. In the rush of modern life, it's easy to overlook the beauty and blessings that surround us. The Stoics encourage the practice of gratitude, reminding us to appreciate the present moment and the opportunities it brings. A grateful heart leads to contentment, making decisions from a place of abundance rather than scarcity. Now, let's understand this concept even better by taking an example of a story. Once upon a time in the ancient city, there lived a young man named Leon. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and quick decision-making skills, which he had acquired through the teachings of the Stoics. Leon's journey into the realm of Stoicism began when he faced a crucial decision that would shape the course of his life. He stood at the crossroads of two paths, one leading to a conventional life of comfort, and the other to an adventurous but uncertain future. The weight of the decision pressed upon him, and he sought guidance from the wise old Stoic Master Aurelius. Master Aurelius, a venerable sage with a flowing white beard, welcomed Leon into his humble abode. "Leon," he said, "life is a series of choices, and the key to a fulfilling existence lies in your ability to decide swiftly and wisely. Let me impart to you the wisdom of the Stoics." Master Aurelius taught Leon the importance of simplicity. "In the face of complexity, limit your options," he said. "Focus on what truly matters and discard the rest like unnecessary baggage." Leon, eager to apply this lesson, simplified his goals and aspirations. He identified the core values that defined him and discarded the distractions that hindered his progress. The clarity brought by limiting his options empowered him to navigate the labyrinth of life with newfound ease. Master Aurelius guided Leon in drawing a clear line between good and bad choices. Life is a constant interplay between virtue and vice, he explained. Discern what aligns with your values and virtues, and discard the choices that lead to ruin. Leon embraced this lesson, cultivating a strong moral compass. He faced ethical dilemmas with confidence, knowing that the line between right and wrong was etched in his heart. The ability to distinguish good from bad choices became his guiding light. Stoicism, as Master Aurelius taught, was not just a philosophy of the mind but also of the heart. Listen to your gut feeling, he advised Leon. Your instincts are often wiser than your conscious thoughts. Leon began to trust his intuition, allowing his inner voice to guide him in moments of uncertainty. This newfound reliance on his instincts proved invaluable as he navigated the unpredictable currents of life. Master Aurelius emphasized the preciousness of time. Think of your time as a limited resource, he said. Invest it wisely, for once spent, it cannot be reclaimed. With this lesson, Leon became acutely aware of the value of his time. He learned to prioritize tasks, focusing on endeavors that brought him closer to his goals. Time became his ally, propelling him forward on the path of decisiveness. As Leon continued his journey into Stoicism, he realized that decisiveness was a skill honed through practice. Every decision is an opportunity to sharpen your judgment, Master Aurelius affirmed. Embrace each choice, for it molds you into a master of decision-making. Leon faced challenges head-on, viewing them as stepping stones to mastery. With each decision, he grew more adept at navigating the complexities of life. Decisiveness became not just a trait, but a manifestation of his inner strength. The final lesson struck at the heart of indecision. Indecision is the silent assassin of dreams, Master Aurelius warned. The longer you linger in uncertainty, the more opportunities slip through your fingers. Leon, now armed with the wisdom of the Stoics, banished indecision from his life. He faced the unknown with unwavering courage, understanding that the refusal to decide was a decision in itself, a decision to remain stagnant. Now that we've laid the groundwork for the Stoic mindset, let's delve into a practical decision-making process inspired by the wisdom of the Stoics. Step 1. Define your values. Take a moment to reflect on your core values. What principles guide your life? Identify them and prioritize them in order of importance. These values will be your North Star, guiding your decisions with clarity and purpose. Step 2. Mindful awareness. Practice mindfulness daily. Set aside time for reflection, meditation, or simply being present in the moment. This practice will sharpen your awareness, allowing you to approach decisions with a calm and focused mind. Step 3. Accept impermanence. Remind yourself of the transient nature of life. Embrace change as a constant companion. When faced with decisions, consider the impermanence of circumstances and focus on what is within your control. Step 4. Virtuous action. Evaluate your options through the lens of virtue. Ask yourself, which choice aligns with wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance? Strive to make decisions that reflect the highest principles of character. Step 5. Practice gratitude. Before making a decision, take a moment to express gratitude for the opportunities and resources you have. A grateful heart opens the door to abundance and allows you to make decisions from a positive and empowered mindset. By embracing the Stoic mindset, we unlock the superpower of deciding with purpose, clarity, and swiftness. As Stoicism teaches us, the true measure of a person is not in the circumstances they face, but in how they navigate the currents of life. Remember the words of Seneca, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. May you decide with wisdom, act with virtue, and savor the beauty of each fleeting moment. Take a moment to reflect on how these Stoic lessons can apply to your own life. What decisions are you facing, and how can the wisdom of the Stoics guide you? Remember, each decision is an opportunity for growth, and by cultivating the art of wise choices, you too can shape a purposeful and fulfilling life. If you found value in this story, consider sharing your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear how the principles of Stoicism resonate with you, and how you plan to apply them in your own decision-making. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories and content that inspire personal growth and wisdom. Until next time, may your decisions be guided by clarity, virtue, and the timeless wisdom of the Stoics. Take care and stay inspired.